My dear students, my dear students, my dear students, just to let me know that can you see your Baba? I'm just waiting that am I live or not? Your Baba is live or not? Hey, please just see to it. My team, just see. Please, my cameraman, just check that what happened, that why I'm not live, why I cannot see my students' green hearts running in the chat. What happened? Hey God, what happened? Why am I unable to see my kids, students in the chat section? That, my dear friends, do let me know. Your Baba is ready for the best analytical chemistry, the chapter which holds a whole lot of weightage. I would like to see the green hearts in the chat section running very fast. Hey kids, do let me know. Yeah. Anish, one green heart I got from Anish. Oh, hey. Dr. R.R. Anish, good evening. Ramya Raja. Now today we are going to deal with analytical chemistry. So my favorite physics, but studying chemistry, oh my God, Satyam, great, wow. Salt analysis, yes. अरे मेरे प्यारे बच्चा, let me write down. ये salt analysis की शुरुआत है. किसकी शुरुआत है? ये salt analysis की शुरुआत है. salt analysis की शुरुआत है मेरे प्यारे बच्चा लोग. ये salt analysis beginning has salt analysis, kids. The beginning of salt analysis. What is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is analytical chemistry. Its name is analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry. I would like to see green hearts running very fast. Till that time I'm writing these names. मुझे green hearts दिखने चाहिए chat section में बहुत भरे ये salt analysis की शुरुआत है और इसी को हम practical chemistry कह सकते हैं. Inorganic practical chemistry. Everyone just do let me know in the chat section. This is the beginning of practical chemistry, practical inorganic chemistry, inorganic chemistry. And this is, my dear students, the same thing I would like to say whether, okay, practical inorganic chemistry, practical inorganic chemistry, inorganic mixture. Now all three, they mean same. All three, they mean same. All three, they mean same. Now let me see the chat section. The beginning of this, the beginning of what? Beginning. Now this lecture, today's lecture is equally good for whether you are in class 10th, whether you are preparing for class 10th, for class 10th standard, for class 11th standard, for class 12th standard. This is equally good for NEET students, and this is equally good for JEE students, IIT JEE students. Everyone, you should know this thing. It is equally good for all such type of students because it holds a hell lot of weightage and no YouTube is teaching. That is the most important thing. No one is teaching because this is that important chapter. People call it a very tough chapter, and teachers, even they are not able to do this chapter. They are also struggling. Most of the teachers, they are struggling in this. That's why no one is teaching, and you will not get this lecture anywhere on YT. Now let me see you, my dear students. Class duration 90 minutes, just 90 minutes. 90 minutes to 120. 1.5 hour to 2 hour. I will complete it. Echo, mic is echo is there. Okay, just wait. Thank you, Sahana. Now check. Now check. Everyone, do let me know. Now do let me know. Is it okay? Echo is there. Kiran Pathak, welcome. Now check. Now check. Kiran Pathak ji. Now good. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Now, my dear students. My dear students. Let me fix it so that now check. It's perfect. Kiran ji, everyone, आज का ये lecture बहुत important है. Whatever I'm going to teach in English, I will repeat in English also, right? Whatever I'm going to teach in English, I will repeat the same thing in English also. And मेरी पूरी कोशिश रहेगी, because this chapter you have to dissolve in your blood. Apply brain and dissolve in your blood, then only you can do for the examination. So this chapter says that right now you have to dissolve it in your blood, otherwise you won't be able to do it. Are you ready for that? Everyone, just to let me know, are you ready for that? Dissolve in blood. You have to dissolve it. Dissolve it in your blood, then only you will get marks. And let me tell you that from this chapter you can expect 4 to 5 questions in your, whether I talk about board exam or I talk about NEET exam or I can talk about IIT exam. Do like the session, everyone. At least 5 questions. At least 5 questions. My dear friends, what I'm saying, at least 5 questions. At least 5 MCQs. 5 MCQs. And those who are not having an idea about this chapter, they must be thinking, oh my God, from where the paper has come. If you see class 10th board physics paper is totally based on analytical chemistry in everyday life. No theory is given over there. Now, my dear students, definitely. So, Telegram link. If Hanu is there, Hanu, please pin the Telegram link. And let me tell you who is your Baba H.S.P. Baba H.S.P. is having 27 years of teaching experience. How much, kids? How much experience Baba H.S.P. is having? Do let me know. Baba H.S.P. is having how many years of teaching experience? 27 years of teaching experience. 27. I'm 52 years old, and that will get reflected in today's lecture. You will see this in today's lecture. Now produced 1 to 17 rank, means top all ranks, selections in IIT, JEE, AIMS and NEET. And what's the degree of Baba? Baba has done MTech as well as MSc. Where MSc, 2 postgraduate degrees Baba is having. Have you ever seen any teacher having these degrees? Now today's lecture, the analytical chemistry will get reflected with all these things. Are you ready? So everyone, you see what I'm telling you, at least see to it how many questions you will get in your examination. 5 MCQs, 5 multiply with your marks. Tell me in the chat section, if 5 MCQs are supposed to come in your examination, what is that? What's the score? Do let me know. Do let me know what should be the score. 5 MCQ means what should be the score. And the losers one shot All problem topics need 20. Yeah, sure, I will take. Sir, Tamil State Board exam chemistry over today. So, yay. Unexpected questions. Sudhakar Mohan is writing unexpected questions. See, now ready? Is everyone ready? 20, yes. 5, yes. Very good. 5, now 20. Now, are you ready? Are you ready? Now, first page. Everyone just see the first page. Are you ready? Do let me know. Can you see the first page? Everyone just do let me know. Can you see the first page? This is your first page. Everyone just do let me know. Can you see the first page? This is the first page. Read it out. Color of the salt and their solutions. These slides you will see for the first time, and I will explain each and everything to you kids. Surya Buddha, how I can forget you? Surya Buddha, I can't. Now see kids. The salts of representative elements of the predictable, that is elements of group 1 to 13 to 17. Now, 1, what is written over here? 1, group 1 to 13 to 17. What do you mean by this? If you know predictable, S block and P block elements. Can I say, Kiran Pathak? Very good. S and P block. They are talking about S and P block. Are you getting my point, kids? They are just talking about S and P block. S and P block. S and P block. S and P block are generally colorless. Mark my words categorically, I am telling you, generally colorless. Generally colorless. Now, are you getting my point? So, S and P block cations or anions, what they are talking about, the element of group 1 to 13 to 17 are generally colorless, while those of transition elements, salts of these elements, that is group 3 to 12, are generally colored. Let me tell you in the predictable. If you don't know the predictable, you should know that if I write like this, just see to it. If I write like this, mirror, flip, copy. Oh, it's not copied. Okay, no problem. Let me divide. Now, let me put here P block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, if I write the elements like hydrogen, leave the hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and leave the francium. Now, after lithium, beryllium, magnesium, barium. Now, if I talk about here, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, boron, aluminium, carbon, silicon, nitrogen, phosphorus, oxygen, sulfur, boron, argon, gallium, indium, thallium, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, boron and gallium, thallium, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, lead polonium, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, lead. All these means if I put here plus charge, 1 plus charge will be there, 1 plus charge, 1 plus charge, 1 plus charge, 1 plus charge, 2 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 plus charge. They all will be what? whether cation or anion. They said whether cation or anion. If I write here anion, F negative, chloride negative, bromide negative, iodide negative, all they are what? Do let me know, all they are what? Colored or colorless? Do let me know, kids. They are colored or colorless? Write down in the chat section. If you have seen the theory, do let me know in the chat section fast. They will be colored or colorless? Hey kids, do let me know. They will be colored or colorless? Colorless. Only Sahana has written they will be colorless. All they will be colorless. They will be colorless. 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 They will be colorless. 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 Whether they are cations or anions. This side cations, they will form their cations, colorless cations. That side they will form anions, colorless anions. Now, how many of you got this thing for the first time? ये कॉन्सेप्ट कितने लोगों को पहली बार समझ में आया कि yes, this is the way, no need to do rectification, we can do it. Oh yes, Sahana, you know, today I was involved in this board exams, you know, paper was tough, so I have gone for the, better to say, for motivation. They called me, one team called me. There is one school known as I'm not going to disclose that very big name. They called me just to motivate the students because today's physics paper was very tough. If I talk about section A in ICC board, they are having MCQ. So MCQ part was very tough. Rest of the, better to say, part B, subjective, was easy. So people were crying, actually. They were feeling demotivated. So they called me, and then the people were happy. Once I have given my lecture, they were happy. Okay, that's why. Otherwise, definitely tomorrow I will make it. Now, my dear students, agreed? They all are colorless. Now, if I put here D block elements, you know, D block, this is S block, that is P block. I'm H.S.P. Baba is H.S.P. That was S block. This was your S block. This is your P block. So S block and P block are colorless. H.S.P. H is moving here and there. S.P. is colorless. S and P is colorless. But this is known as transition elements. Transition, that is D block. Transition, that is D block. This D block, whatever the elements we are having, they are colored. Like science teacher, very crazy man, felt cold at night with cousin. Science teacher, very crazy. Leave science. Teacher, very crazy man. Felt cold in night with cousin. Are you getting my point? So if I write 2 plus or 3 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, whatever I'm writing, Mn, whatever I know, plus 7, iron plus 2, or iron plus 3, or cobalt plus 3, or nickel plus 2. Are you getting my point? They all will be colored. Or chromium, if I'm writing chromium plus 6, they all will be colored. Now, how many of you are able to keep it in a brain? How many of you are seeing this thing for the first time? The periodic table, Baba is telling you the color theory, the analytical chemistry with the help of periodic table. Do let me know in the chat section. I want to see green hearts, those who are getting it for the first time, those who are able to understand it for the first time. Now, Let's move on. Let's move on. Is it feeded in your hypothalamus? No, sorry, hippocampus. Is it feeded? Is it? No, I cannot see other people's chat. Where you people have gone? Sahana, पहली दफा, पहली पहली बार बोलिए, याद हो गया. Only I can, yeah, Aishwarya, please kids, whenever you are getting something new, don't forget to show me green hearts. Ritvik, yes. Let's move here. Kiran Pathak ji, yes. Now see, just try to see whatever I have written. Cation, ammonium, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, lead, zinc, colorless. भैया, ए भैया, ये है colorless. टेटेडेंट, $1 million थिंग आ गई हमारे सामने. तुम तो ठहरे colorless रे. You are colorless, colorless, colorless. Now, anions, chloride, sulfate, carbonate, nitrate, they all are being colorless. They all are being colorless. So all these things, S and P, H.S.P, S and P, they are colorless. Got it, kids? Have you got it? Are you able to understand? They are colorless. S block and P block. S block and P block, they are colorless. Definitely they are metals. So metals have habit of donating electrons. So they will donate electrons. So they will get plus charge and plus charge. And non-metals, they are need of electrons. So they will gain electrons. So they will have, non-metals will have negative charge. They will form anion, they will form cation. I hope that everyone is able to understand. They will exist as cation and these will exist as anion. So cations, these cations colorless, these anions colorless, all they are being colorless. Is it clear to all of you kids? Do let me know in the chat section if it is clear. I would like to see in the chat section that yes sir, this part is clear. Keep on showing, because no one in the world, not only in India, not I'm talking about YouTube, I'm telling everywhere, no one can teach this thing. Kids, everyone, I can't see, I can see only Aishwarya, I can see only Sahana is, Ritvik, 3 people are there active in the chat. What's about rest? Now see, colored anions. This is about colored anions. Can you see the part B, team B, colored, cupric, ferrous, all these are D block elements. Now these are D block elements and D block with oxygen. Wow, hey. They are alone. D block elements, cations alone. These cations are alone. Cations of D block, अकेले हैं, अकेले, alone means solitary, अकेले हैं, and they are forming color. And these cations are with oxygen. So oxygen, they have snatched the electrons of these elements, so they are colored. So cations with friend oxygen, with oxygenated friend, oxygen as friend, okay. So they are all colored. A part colorless, B part colored. I hope this point is clear to all of you. This is team A members, that is team B members. Is it clear to all of you kids? Do let me know. This is about team A member. This is about team A member, team A, and that is team B. I hope this is clear to each and everyone. Team B is colored, rangeen hai, rangeen, and team A is colorless. Clear? It is there in your brain, kids. Is it visible to all of you? Kids, do let me know, is it visible to all of you? You are liking it, the efforts of Baba. Now, let me move ahead. But one thing, keep it in your brain. That is your homework. Cupric is blue, ferrous is green, and ferric is yellowish brown. That's why, yeah, this Baba has taken this t-shirt from the market today only, just to show you reddish brown or brown color. You written cations. Yes, these are cations. And these are also cations. Let me tell you why these are cations. Oxygen is taking electrons. So you don't know right now, the manganese oxidation state here is manganese is actually +7. Those who don't know, you will study further. Chromium here is +6. So these are cations. CrO4, Cr +6 only. So they are cations only, all the cations, because metals always exist as cations. Yeah, if you are right, just see. Can you see, kids? Can you see? They are cations only. So all metals, they are cations. All metals, they are cation. Is it clear? Without any doubt. Is it clear to all of you? Without any doubt. Now, same next page. Now, my dear students, before I move ahead, remember that copper, Cu2 plus is blue. Will you do this homework? Ferrous, light green. Ferric, say with me. Copper 2 plus, blue. Write down in the chat. Guys, why for only some videos type option is showing? What is the meaning of this type video? I am not able to understand. Yes, write down. Sahana has written Cu2 plus is blue. Ferrous is green. Take a copy and write down. Cu2 plus cupric. Cupric is blue. Ferrous is green. Ferric is yellow. Ferrous is light green. Ferric is reddish brown or brown. Both will be right. Yes, write down. I want to see everyone. Now, see. The color of nickel is also green. Now see, ferrous is green, nickel 2 plus is green. So can you keep it in your brain? Copper 3 plus is green. Feniker. Fe2 plus nickel. Fene. Fene. Fene 2 plus is green. Fene. Is there anything? Fene. Fe2 plus. Nickel 2 plus is green. Fene is green. Do you know anything? Fene. And chromium 2 plus is green. Okay. Cu2 plus is blue. Manganese 2 plus is pink. These many colors you have to remember. Now let me see whether I am able to tell you. Ferrous, light green. Ferric, brown. Cu2 plus, blue. Fe 2 plus, Fe2 plus, nickel 2 plus, green. मैग्नीज 2 प्लस, पिंक. हमारे मन को पिंक कलर अच्छा लगता है. फेनी बाबा, फेनी. ओ फनी बाबा. ओ या सहाना, फनी. Now see, ferric ion is reddish brown. So all these color. Now permanganate is purple. Pink or purple. Dichromate is orange. Chromate is yellow. Is it feed to your brain? Hey भैया, सब लोग बताओ, सबके brain में feed हो गया? This much, this page has gone to your brain. Kids, do let me know. I would like to see in the chat section. Is it gone, kids? Everyone. Okay, let's see. Now, ready? Let me see the color. I will not show you. Let me stand over here. Write down, everyone. What is the color of Cr? Chromium is given over there. Yes, Cr3 plus. Do let me know. Cr3 plus. Cr3 plus. Okay, yeah, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Sahana, very good. Yeah, very good idea, very good idea. Tell me the color. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me do one thing. Let me do one thing. Yes, check yourself. Check yourself. Cr3 plus. Do let me know. Cr3 plus. Cr3 plus. Surya Buddha, write down Cr3 plus. What is the color? Pink. Ashwarya is writing pink. Sahana, green. Green. See, it's green. Cr3 plus is green. Everyone see green. Green. Got it? Now, Fe Fe2 plus. Nickel 2 plus. Chromium 3 plus. All they are being what? Do let me know. All three are what? All three are green colored. Green colored. Hey, green, green, green. All three are green. Got it? Now, next question. Next question. Hara, hara, hara. Cu2 plus. What is the color of Cu2 plus? Everyone, Cu2 plus. Fast, Cu2 plus. Cupric, Cu2 plus. Tell me Cu2 plus. Green, Ashwarya, no. Blue, blue, blue. Blue eyes hypnotize. Q. Blue eyes hypnotize. Karti menu. Blue. Now next. Everyone, next color. I'm going with the next color. Remember that I'm going manganese 2 plus. Manganese 2 plus. Manganese 2 plus. Do let me know. Manganese 2 plus. Manganese 2 plus. What is the color? Manganese 2 plus. Manganese 2 plus. Manganese 2 plus. Everyone. Chaitanya, welcome. Welcome. Manganese 2 plus. What is the color? Kids, what are you doing? Where is Ritvik? Ritvik, where are you? Okay, Ashwarya, it was for previous question. Oh, sorry. Ritvik, you are not there. I can't see your answers. Should I come down? Should I come down, Ritvik? Should I come down? Just a second, kids. Just a second. Just a second, kids. Wait for a second. Ritvik, you come up. Ritvik, you come up and sit over here in front of me. Just come up. And call your brother also if possible. Both of you come up. No, you come up. Fast you come up. Hanu is Ritvik. Sahana, Hanu is Ritvik. You sit over there. Now, a manganese 2 plus, what is the color? Come with the set. Pink colored. Now are you ready? Everyone, good evening, City, good evening. Everyone ready? Is everyone ready? I'm going to ask once again. Will you give the answer? Let's see, kids. Okay, do let me know. What is the color of KMNO4? KMNO4. Now see, MNO4, what is the color of MNO4? MNO4 negative is what is the color? What is the color? Paper. Remember PPR. This P is for pink. This P is for purple. This R for red, red. Now, my dear students, if I say that I am having something which is having this color, I am having something which is having this color, okay? Are you getting my point? Everyone, are you getting my point? I am having something which is having this color, this color, this color. Okay, kids? This color. That I am having this caminophore, and this is the color of caminophore. This is the color of caminophore. Now, my dear students, if I add something colorless, suppose if I add sodium, what is the color of sodium? Na plus. What is the color of sodium? Do let me know. What is the color of sodium? Do let me know. Sodium's color is what? Do let me know, everyone. What is the color of sodium? Color of sodium, Na plus. What is the color? Do let me know, kids. What is the color of sodium, Na plus? In the chat section, do let me know color of sodium, Na plus. Colorless. This is colorless. Now, if I add something colorless to this, if I add something colorless to pink color, this is pink colored. Who is pink colored? MnO4 negative is pink colored, and to this pink color or red color, if I add something which is colorless, if I add something which is colorless, if I add something which is having no color, if I add something which is without color, colorless, do let me know, kids. What will happen? What will happen if I add something which is having no color? The thing which is without color, what will happen? The colorless thing will change the color. It will fade the color, but the color will not get changed. Okay. So colorless, either I say sodium, Na plus, or if I say potassium, what they will do? The thing will become pink colored or the red color. Suppose if I say this was red colored. Suppose if I say this was red colored. Suppose if I say this was red colored or pink colored, what do you think? The color will get fade. Color fade ho jayega. Color fade ho jayega. So colorless, cation, colorless cation plus colored anion, what will you get? Colored anion, what will you get? Just to let me know. MnO4 negative, MnO4 negative, colored anion, that is MnO4 negative. So both together they will form, either I can say KMnO4, I can say MnO4 or NaMnO4. They all will be what? They all will be what? Pink colored. Got it? Pink colored. So KMnO4's color is pink. I hope that everyone got it. How many of you got it for the first time? The colorless cation and the colored anion will form that same color which is given by anion, right, kids? Now let's see how many of you got it. How many of you really got it? So see, dichromate is orange and chromate is yellow. Remember these two, very, very important. These holds a whole lot of weightage. Chromate, CrO4 2 negative ion, chromate is yellow, dichromate is orange. One chrome, two chrome. One chrome, chromate, dichromate. Chromate is yellow and dichromate is orange. Feed it. Everyone's brain, is it feed it? Then I will ask question. Is it going to your blood or not, my dear students? Is it there in hippocampus? Show me in the chat section. Chat should run speedily, kids. याद हुआ कि नहीं? Everyone, I want to see in the chat section. Show me green hearts if you're able to get it. If you're able to put it in your brain. I've shown you, I will give question based on these two. Right now, I'm going to give questions based on these two. Why the chat is not running speedily? Why the answers are not coming? In this way, you are going to become doctor, engineer, future. This is not the way that you can dissolve in blood or not. Everyone, do let me know. Poll देंगे? Yes, Chaitanya, poll देंगे, बिल्कुल देंगे. बोल देंगे, खोपड़िया तुम्हारी फोड़ देंगे अगर याद नहीं करोगे। Okay. Now that's really, now see. Now let's frame out one question and let's see how many of you can do that question. Ready? Let me have one good slide. These slides are not looking awesome. Hey, Sensem, where are you? Where are these slides? You just let me take this slide on the upper side so that my kids should enjoy. Hey. Now, Baba will give poll question. Ready? Ritvik said he will get failed in. No. Don't worry. He is the very funny person. Now see, kids. Just see. Question. Question is coming on your board. Everyone just see. Find out the color. Find out. Okay. No. Question is, find out the color of compound. Color of compound. Find out the color of the compound. Sensem. Now let's see. Let me make out the options also, right? Let me make out the options also, right? Okay. Yes, sir. Question. This is your question. Wow. AI is helping me a lot. Question. This is your question. Ready? Okay. So see, the options are, so let me write down the options. Option A. Okay, let me write down in a great way. Just see. Option A is green. Okay, leave some space for that. Okay, so let me write down green. Let me write down orange. Let me write down yellow. Dirty fellow. Yellow. Which other color? Pink color. Pink. Okay, these colors are okay, right? I think computer ji lock kiya jaye. These much colors are good. So let's it go. Orange. You come over here. Orange. You come over here. Green. You come over here. You just come over here. Pink. Orange. Green. Pink. And yellow, bhai. You just come over here. Let's see who is going to win this race. Everyone, are you ready? So let me put the options. This is your A option. This is your B option. This is your C option. This is your D option. Right? Is everyone ready, kids? Let me put the round circle. Rounder. Now Chaitanya, you are happy? Do let me know. Chaitanya, are you happy? Baba is making really awesome things to happen. So this is the, okay. Now Sim, copy it, make number of slides so that people can really feel very good. Hey, yes, Baba is over here. Ready? So is everyone ready? Yeah, oh yeah, Sana, you know everything. Are you ready? Are bhai, say na yes. Hey everyone, say yes. Now, Sim. Question is coming in front of you on your screen. Sim, question is going to come on your screen. Sim, come on. K2 CrO4, K2CrO4. Tell me what should be the answer. K2CrO4 is known as potassium chromate. Potassium chromate. Potassium chromate. What should be the color of potassium chromate? I want to see in the chat section. Everyone, I would like to see in the chat section. What is the color of potassium chromate? I am watching. Sahana is writing yellow. Rest of other students, do let me know what's the answer. Arushi is saying B. B is green. Green. So, hey, Ritvik, what's your answer? Yellow. Okay, Ritvik is going with yellow. Do let me know rest of other students. So, the correct. Hey, kids, everyone is not writing. If your answer is wrong, no problem, but everyone participate. Then only you will be able to understand this part of chemistry. Otherwise, you will not. So, same, do let me know what is the correct answer. So, kids, the correct answer is कंप्यूटर जी लॉक किया जाए. आइए खेलते हैं कौन बढ़ेगा करोड़पति. देवियों और सज्जनों, भाई और बहनों, लेट्स सी कौन बनेगा करोड़पति. येलो येलो dirty fellow. So it's your color. Yellow is the correct answer. Now second question. Where is Chaitanya has gone? Chaitanya, where have you been gone? Now another question. Question is, what's the color of K2Cr2O7? Now you see two chromium are there. There was single chromium, there are two chromium. So its name is potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate. What is the color of potassium dichromate, kids? Do let me know. I'm watching your chat. Let me see how many of you are going to become the best in chemistry. Sahana is going with चैतन्य. नेट को ठीक कराओ, नहीं तो चंपा आपके घर आ जाएगी. चंपा, चैतन्य के घर जाओ. चैतन्य, नेट ठीक कराओ अपना. Orange. So I can see answer of two people only, Sahana and Sahiz. Ritvik, are you there? What's the answer? I can't see. Huh? Okay, orange. Okay, that's really awesome. Orange is the color. So the correct answer is same. Copy it. Orange color. Now if I say another question on your screen, another question. So if I write down what is the color of sodium dichromate, Na2Cr2O7. This is known as sodium dichromate. Sodium dichromate. Sodium dichromate. What should be the color of the sodium dichromate? Do let me know in the chat section, kids. Fast. Baba, I would like to be near you like your... Yeah, Sahana, that's the thing. Namaste. Who's there? Anukha Vasti. Very good. This is Hindi. This is English as well as English. Orange. Harni Singh is going orange. Chaitanya, D. Chaitanya, your answer is wrong. Sahana, what's your answer? Sahana, orange. So orange is the correct answer. Orange is the correct answer. The correct answer is orange, kids. Orange is the correct answer. Now, my dear students, why you people are missing it? Now see, chromate, Cr2O7, 2 negative is orange color. Now the combination, either you add sodium or you add potassium, doesn't matter. Sodium, potassium, they are colorless, so the color will not get changed. Now Sahana, everyone, Ashwarya, Sahana, Chaitanya, Kiran, Ritvik, do let me know, is there any need of cramming the colors? Just you remember that dichromate is orange color. Now, how many of you are studying in this way for the first time? Do let me know how many of you are studying in this way for the first time. And if possible, can you provide water? Bacha. Now, see, another question. You see, those who are not able to cope with this, just see, if I say permanganate is pink, dichromate is orange, chromate is yellow. Now how to? You will get confused in between chromate and dichromate in the examination. Definitely you will get confused in chromate and dichromate. So remember, orange is crow. Crow and his mate is orange. Crow, you know, kawa. Crow, go away, come again another day. Crow is yellow, dirty fellow. So the crow is yellow. Crow, go away, come again another day. Crow, you are yellow. Crow, you are what is this? Crow, you are yellow. Crow, you are yellow. Crow, you are yellow, dirty fellow. Crow. Can I get an image of crow? How to make crow? Crow. Can I write crow, kids? Crow. Array, crow. This is crow, mate. But I would like to say in your childhood, you must have seen crow. CROW. The pronunciation is same. Crow. Crow is yellow, dirty fellow. Nobody likes crow. We always sing crow, go away, grow away. Thank you, Sahana. Thank you. So crow, go away. Yellow, dirty fellow. Yellow. Crow is yellow, dirty fellow. In my childhood, when crow was eating something, nobody was eating that thing because we were saying crow has added poison to it. Now tell me, crow, go away. Crow, yellow, dirty fellow. Is it clear, kids? Is it added to your brain? Now dichromate, orange. Dichromate is orange. Yeah, grow. Prem Kumar, I will give you, but do let me know. Is it clear? Till now, is it clear? Now, next question. Everyone see next question. This is going to be the last question. Then I will frame out something else. Okay. Then I would like to frame out something else. Let's see whether you are able to give the answer of this question or not. Do let me know the answer of sodium Na2CrO4. Na2CrO4. What should be the color of this compound? And let me give you one more compound, PbCrO4. How to write down the structure? Now see, the valency of sodium is +1 and the valency of chromate CrO4, 2 negative is 2. So that's why it's 2 over here. Now this is also 2, that is also 2, 2 to cancel out. This is sodium chromate, that is lead chromate. What should be their color? Do let me know. Yes, others will lose at least 20 marks and you will get benefit of 20 marks, kids. You will get benefit of 20 marks. Share this link to that group. Which group? WhatsApp. Toppers Tycoon. Right. Now, kids, do let me know what's the answer. Ujjwal Verma, very good. Arey, wow, Ujjwal Verma, yellow. Wow, Haldi, that's really awesome. So this is really, really awesome. That Ujjwal, 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 hey Ujjwal, do let me know, आपने ये कवर कर लिया? जो अभी छूटा 1 घंटे की क्लास आपने कवर कर ली? Tell me, उज्जवल, ये 1 घंटे की क्लास को कवर कर लिया आपने? आशी प्रिया, वेलकम वेलकम. Kiran Pathak ji, welcome. Kids, keep on sending the messages. Really, I'm telling you, the super awesome teacher, super awesome thing. Even teachers, they don't know. Even teachers, they don't know. Kids, सभी लोग बताइए. उज्जवल, उज्जवल, where is Amman? Yamman, where is Yamman? I can't see Yamman. Do let me know. I want to see the chat running with the high speed, 1 lakh kilometers per hour. Because really, whatever Baba is telling you, no one can teach in the whole universe. Kids, सबको बुलाओ, जितने भी दोस्त हैं, सबको बुलाइए आप, और चैट को फास्ट मूव कराइए. उज्जवल वर्मा, आपने पिछला पढ़ लिया 1 घंटे की क्लास? The one slide, only I have gone with one slide. Ujjwal, only I have gone with one slide. Let me tell you this slide. ये एक स्लाइड पढ़ाई है मैंने, और एक ये बस 2 स्लाइड अभी तक पढ़ाई है आपकी कॉपी की. I've gone just with 2 slides. Ujjwal, is it okay? Very good. Ashipriya, thank you. And today I am going in depth. Let me tell you, kids, whether you are preparing for 10th boards, 11th class, 12th class, NEET, JEE, any BSc exam, MSc exam, MTech, whatever, in this way, no one can teach you and no one knows. Mark my words. अभी पोल दे रहे हैं, चैतन्य बीच में गायब नहीं हो. चैतन्य आपके लिए इतनी मेहनत की है मैंने. चैतन्य, बाबा is doing really hard work for you. Consistency should be there. Now, last question. Okay, ready? Everyone ready? Let's see. The color of which compound? Let me give you. The compound is Fe2 plus, nickel 2 plus. I would like to see the answer in the chats. Fe2 plus, nickel 2 plus. Do let me know. Your time starts now. आप यहीं देख रही थी, ओके? तो चैट में दिखा करो. Yes. Everyone, let me see the answer in the chat fast. Okay, Kiranji, that's really fantastic. Harni Singh is saying brown. Harni Singh is blame. Sahana is going for green. And let me tell you, Ashi Priya is going for green. Kiran Pathak ji, do let me know. So the correct answer, my dear students, the correct answer is Fanny. Oh, my Fanny. Funny. Go green. Hey, Fanny. Ferrous and nickel 2 plus, they are green. Ferric is red is brown. Ferrous and nickel 2 plus. Ferrous is always green. Ferrous is green. Nickel 2 plus is green. Remember that if you are provided with what? Provided with the ferric is yellow. That is also not brown, that is yellow. Ferric is being yellow. These two are green. Got it? So now let me go to the next slide. Are you perfect in this? Is everyone perfect in this? Is everyone perfect in this? Show me in the chat section that yes. Satyam, I'm not, how I can ignore you? Na bacha na, mera pyara bacha. Wonderful session. Thank you, Kiran Pathak ji. Now, everyone, let's move to the third slide. Everyone ready? Are you ready for the third slide? Where the slides have gone? Hey, slides, are you there? Oh. Okay, now, this is a really awesome thing. Just do let me know. Can you see this slide? Everyone do let me know. Let's have command on this. Everyone just do let me know. Read it out, then I will tell you. Just read it out and then I will let you know. Everyone just read it out. Read it out. Read this one and then I will let you know. Do let me know, kids. Read it out. Read it out. Everyone just read it out and then I will tell you the things. Okay, I'm standing over here. Read it out. Action of sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Sodium hydroxide is NaOH solution on certain metallic salt solution. Now, if you want to have command on this, if you want really, first of all, do let me know, is it visible to all of you? If yes, write down yes. Then I would like to say, remember one code, remember one code, remember one trick. I'm going to give you that trick. Just see that trick. Baba is going to give you one trick, the awesome trick. Are you ready for that? Remember, whenever NaOH is coming, NaOH is coming, the relation of NaOH with some metal hydroxides which are soluble in excess of NaOH. If I write some metal hydroxides, some metal hydroxides. Okay. First, let me tell you the metal hydroxides. Generally, the metal hydroxides are precipitate. Let me write down. Let me write down on another page. Generally, the metal hydroxides are in precipitate form. What do you mean by precipitate? What do you mean by precipitate? कोई चीज जम जाती है, that is known as precipitate. In shortcut we will write PPT. PPT. Generally, the metal hydroxides are in the form of precipitate. If I tell you that ferrous hydroxide, if I write down ferrous hydroxide, that means it is insoluble green PPT, green precipitate. Green precipitate. If I write down aluminium hydroxide, AlOH whole thrice, it is gelatinous white PPT. I will tell you how to remember the names and how to remember the color. Gelatinous means white precipitate. Are you getting my point, kids? Everyone getting my point? So these are precipitates and not soluble in sodium hydroxide. They are not soluble in sodium hydroxide. Which one are not soluble? I don't know. If I don't know about this one, I don't know about this one. Whether it is soluble in excess of sodium hydroxide or not, that I'm going to write. Are you getting my point, everyone? Now see what I'm going to write. Some metal hydroxides are soluble in excess of NaOH. Now these are only 4 in the world. there are only 4 metal hydroxides which are soluble in excess of sodium hydroxide. What are these? Just see. In the world, in the whole chemistry world, these are only 4. These are only 4. Let's see what are these 4. Let's see what are these 4. Just see to it. One is SN hydroxide. Is it visible? If I write over here, is it visible? Is it visible? Okay, let me write down over here. Just see. Let me remove this. Let's see. It's going. Yeah, go on. And now let me take this one. Oh, it's coming whole. Don't worry. So let me write down these elements over here. Let me put it inside the bracket. In this bracket, the blue one, let me put this in the blue one. Let me make it bigger. Now I think space is available. Yes. Now these 4 are, just see, everyone focus. These 4 are, one is tin hydroxide. Right now it is a precipitate. Zinc hydroxide. Right now it is a precipitate. One is aluminium hydroxide. Right now it is a precipitate. And last one is PbOH. PbOH. All 4 are visible to all of you. All 4 are visible to all of you. Now, these are 4. So can I write these 4 on another page? Can I write these 4 on another page? Let me take a good one. Let me take a good one. Where I was over here. Okay. So what I'm saying, if I'm having hydroxides of 4. What are these 4? Tin, Zn, aluminium, Pb. Remember that. And one more thing, let me tell you that alkali metal hydroxides are always soluble in water. Always soluble in water. The solubility you should know, which are always soluble in water. No, I said generally metal hydroxides are insoluble, but remember that alkali metal hydroxides are always soluble in water. Alkali metal plus NH4OH, alkali metal hydroxide plus NH4OH, always soluble in water, always. Why I'm saying this? Because remember that thing is like this. Remember what I'm telling you, kids. All salts of ammonium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium are always soluble in water. All salts of these 4 are always soluble in water. Are always soluble in water, soluble in H2O. Now it's becoming tough. Is it becoming tough, kids? Do let me know. Is it becoming tough? That PbOH I have written. Oh, PbOH whole twice. Yeah, sorry. Thank you, Sahana. Thank you for correction. Yeah, space was not there, I think, but yeah, it's wrong. PbOH whole twice. Let me rub it because space is not there. Thank you, Sahana. Thank you. Very good. Huge round of applause for Sahana. Now, see, kids, what I was telling you, all these salts are always soluble in water. Are you getting my point, kids? Are you getting my point? These are soluble in water. Remember that. Everyone just remember this thing. All salts of amina. Now, what is the code for this? Have I ever made code for this? It's very tough to digest, kids. Amina knows rubicis. The trick is amina knows rubicis. Amina, ammi ki naak, rubicis. Amina knows rubicis. What is the trick for this? Trick is ammi knows rubicis. Ammi knows rubicis. They are always soluble in water. Is it clear? Now it's becoming a little bit confusing, I think. It is becoming a little bit confusing, I think. Right, kids? कितने लोग समझ पा रहे हैं? Now, hydroxides of these four are always soluble in excess of, not in water, are soluble in excess of sodium hydroxide, are soluble in excess of NaOH. My dear students, it's not easy for even teachers. I'm not saying for kids. It is not easy even for teachers. So try to digest it. Try to put it in your blood because it's not easy. It's not easy, kids. It's not easy. This point is not easy. So I will say, please put it in your blood because it's really not simple. It's not easy. So it will change your life. Let me tell you, kids, it will change your life once if you are able to keep it in your blood. It will change your life. Really, it will change your life. Everyone, kids, my humble request, just remember these four. It will change your life. Can you put it in your brain right now? Otherwise, you won't be able to understand. Thank you, Kiran Pathak. Thank you. बच्चा लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स को बताओ कि इतना बड़ा सेशन चल रहा है, बताओ कैसे रखोगे इसको। इसका तो हो गया अमीना नोज रूबिसिस, अम्मी की नाक रूबिसिस, अम्मी की नाक है रूबिसिस इन हिंदी, and in English amina knows rubicis. Always all salts are soluble in water, but the hydroxides of these four. Now how to make any tricks? Should I arrange them? This is sunny or Sunday. Sunday, should I say sunny or Sunday? I'm going to make a trick. Pub, Sunday, pub, Jaden, Sanjana, wow, Sanjana and Alia are in pub. Sanjana and Alia are in pub. How is the trick? Sanjana and Alia are in pub. Hey, how is the trick? Sanjana and Alia are in pub. Kids, do let me know. How is the trick? Sanjana and Alia are in pub. Sanjana and Alia are in pub. Do let me know. Everyone. Sanjana, Alia in pub. Sanjana and Alia are in pub. Trick is Sanjana, Alia in pub. Is it visible to all of you? Sanjana and Alia are visible. Sanjana and Alia are visible to all of you. Is it visible? Okay. So this is the trick. Can you keep it in your brain, everyone? This is the trick. Sanjana and Alia are in pub and they are soluble in NaOH. Nahu, Nahu. The song, there is one music. Nahu, Nahu, Nahu. Nahu, Nahu, Nahu. Now song is going on there. This slide is in your blood or not, just to let me know. Just to let me know, everyone. Ujjwal is there, Yamman is there, Ritvik is there, if is there, Sir Satyam hai. Okay, Chaitanya, do let me know, everyone. You want to take a screenshot of it, you can take. Sanjana and Alia are in pub and their hydroxides are soluble in excess of sodium hydroxide. Otherwise, next slide you won't be able to understand. Nothing you will be able to understand. First of all, do let me know. All sorts of aminos, rubices are soluble in water. Everyone, wherever you are seated, say this. All sorts of aminos, rubices are soluble in water. या ये तो आप जानते हो है लीना की रब से फरियाद. लीना, in place of लीना it is अमीना. अमीना की रब से फरियाद. You can say अमीना की रब से फरियाद. अमीना की रब से फरियाद. All sorts of अमीना की रब से फरियाद. Now let me write down same thing on the next page so that you can understand. All sorts of Amina ki rab se faryad. Amina knows rubices, or you can say Amina ki rab se faryad. Which one is better? For English, Amina knows rubices. In Hindi, Amina ki rab se faryad. In your predictable, Halina ki rab se faryad. Halina ki rab se faryad. Here, Amina ki rab se faryad. All sorts of Amina ki rab se faryad. Let me write this thing on next page with another trick. Another trick that is in English. Another trick in English. That was in English. This is in English. This is in English. English trick. Whichever you want to know, just keep it in your brain. English. And let me write down here English. English trick. The English one is Amina ki rab se faryad. Amina ki rab se faryad. Dum 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 dum. Gone, gone, gone. Amina ki rab se faryad. Hey, hey. Amina ki rab se faryad. All salts are soluble in water. Amina ki rab se faryad. All salts are soluble in water. I hope that everyone got it. Everyone is able to understand the trick. Show me green hearts if yes, you got it. Everyone. And there, Sanjana and Alia. Sanjana and Alia is looking good. Sanjana and Alia. Sanjana and Alia. Sanjana and Alia. Can I write this Sanjana? Sanjana and Alia and pub. This is right. Is it clear, or should I make some other trick? Do let me know. Sanjana and Alia is okay. Sanjana and Alia are in pub. Sanjana, Alia. Can't they come all together? Just wait. Can't they all four come in one sentence only? Is there anyone who can make trick for this? Sanjana and Alia won't reflect in the examination. One sentence, all four should come. Just try it out. All four should come in one word only. Jungle. Okay. Gallium is coming in jungle. Janal, Pabal, Alal, Sanal, Janal, Pabal. Sanjana and Alia is okay. Okay, let's move. Sanjana, inorganic chemistry feel difficult to remember what to do. अरे भैया वही तो कर रहा हूँ अब्दुल. अभी भी अगर टफ लग रही है, संजना और आलिया ने प्रिया से बोला. देखें किरण पठार. किरण जी आप आए, बाहर आई. आप तो कोड बनाने की, ट्रिक बनाने की मशीन. संजना और आलिया ने प्रिया से बोला. प्रिया कहाँ है? प्रिया नहीं, प्रभु. संजना एंड आलिया ने प्रभु से बोला. आई थिंक प्रभु इज ओके. संजना एंड आलिया ने प्रभु से बोला कि हमको डिसॉल्व कर दो एक्सेस ऑफ NaOH में. राइट. संजना एंड आलिया ने प्रभु से बोला. कैन बी राइट. संजना एंड आलिया ने प्रभु से बोला. Say Sanjana and Alia. Okay, I think this is right. Kept. So we will go with this. Sanjana and Alia are in pub. Sanjana and Alia are in pub, right? Okay, now see. Now let's see, kids. Now try to understand this one. Action of sodium hydroxide solution on certain metallic salt. Now you will be able to understand. These are known as hidden lines of any board. From which board I have taken this, I am not going to reveal it, but you know that NCERT is hidden lines. So this is some board hidden lines. Let's see. When the sodium hydroxide caustic soda solution is added drop by drop to the solution of metal salts, the metal hydroxide form get precipitated. Mark my words. Mark my words. Metal hydroxides form get precipitated. Are you getting my point, kids? Say, write down, show me green hearts in the chat section. Yes, sir, we are able to understand. Metal hydroxides form get precipitated. But see, color of the precipitate identifies the metal ion. In this way you can find out what element is there with the help of color. And that's why on the first slide I have told you about the color. So color of the precipitate identifies the metal ion. Metal ion. Which metal ion? Which metal ion? D block, SP block. So this metal ion indicates over here. Do let me know कौन सा metal ion है. मुझे सब लोग बताओ which metal ion. S block, P block, D block. Write down in the chat section. They are talking about S block, P block or D block. Which metal ion? Kids, do let me know. They are here talking about which metal ion. This metal ion refers to S block, P block, D block. Sanjana and Alia in pub, soluble in excess of NaOH. Very good. Oh my God. Let's write down this line. Who has written? Satyam. Sanjana and Alia are in Punjab. Okay, Sanjana and Alia are in Punjab. In place of pub, we can write Punjab because pub is not good thing. Sanjana and Alia are in Punjab and soluble in excess of NaOH. Let's see this line. Let's make this line. Wow, very good. Let's make this line to our favorite. So let's remove this. Sanjana and Alia in pub. No, Sanjana and Alia in Sanjana and Alia in Punjab. Let's write down here. Sanjana and Alia are in Punjab. Now the trick changed. This trick got changed because I liked Satyam's trick. Sanjana and Alia are in Punjab. Sanjana and Alia are in Punjab. Where? Punjab, and soluble in excess of sodium hydroxide. Everyone gets right? Sanjana and Alia are in Punjab. Sanjana and Alia in Punjab. Sanjana and Alia in Punjab. Sanjana and Alia in Punjab. And soluble in excess of Sanjana and Alia in Punjab. Sanjana and Alia in Punjab. Punjab. Sanjana and Alia in Punjab. In Punjab. In Punjab. Soluble in excess of. Soluble in excess of. It's written are soluble in excess of NaOH. Soluble in excess of NaOH. Everyone just say 2 to 3 times. Sanjana and Alia in Punjab, soluble in excess of sodium hydroxide. Everyone say. Just say in your brain. Everyone. Sanjana and Alia in Punjab, soluble in excess of NaOH. Everyone speak it loudly wherever you sit it. No problem. Everyone speak it loud. Sanjana and Alia in Punjab, soluble in excess of NaOH. Everyone, just I want to see. Yes, very good. Now, okay, this thing is clear. Where I was dealing with, what I was telling you, the slide, where the slide has gone. Yes, now try to see and you will be able to understand. So, some precipitate metal hydroxide dissolve. Now see, this line is our hero. Hey, hero, this line is our hero. Now kids, otherwise, ayo, Ranga Swami, Champa, what's going on? It's bold, very bold. Now see, some, array, which color? I want to take this color. I'm interested in this color. Now this one is, see, array, which line, what happened, kids? Why it's not working? I am interested in this one. See this line. What I'm teaching, kids, what's the level of my teaching, you can understand. Now see, everyone, now you can understand. So this board writes in between lines. Sahana has written, Sanjana and Alia in Punjab soluble in excess of NaOH. Very good. Now see, some precipitated metal hydroxide dissolve in excess of sodium hydroxide, and they are talking about this. Right now they are talking about this only. Can you see, everyone? Do let me know my hard work, kids. Do let me know. This line is talking about this thing only. So let me put there this box. Let me put there this box. Got it, kids? This box. Let me put here this box. Clear, kids? Can you get it? Do let me know. Otherwise, this was very tough to understand. What I'm telling you, all 3 points. Let me tell you 3 points. Should I tell you 3 points once again? Should I tell you 3 points once again? Just see. Just focus, everyone. Focus. Always remember first line. Always remember first line. What is that? This is the tagline. Always remember. Do remember this. What? अमीना की रब से फरियाद है, लीना की रब से फरियाद. Here, अमीना की रब से फरियाद. अमीना की रब से फरियाद. फरियाद leave. अमीना की रब से, because francium is radioactive. All salts are soluble. All salts are soluble in water, right? So leave it. They are always soluble in water. So leave this line, the first one, A1. Now what I'm saying, all metal hydroxides are, except these, except the A category. Now let me take B point. All metal hydroxides are insoluble in what? NaOH. B point. All metal hydroxides are in precipitate form, are in PPT form. They all are in PPT form, are in generally colored, are in PPT, generally colored, are in PPT form. All metal hydroxides are insoluble in NaOH, except, just remember, except, my lord, except, सिवाय इनके, except, the third comes here in the picture. The third one comes in the picture. Are you getting my point, kids? The third one comes in the picture, except C category. What? Sanjana and Alia are in Punjab. Their hydroxides are soluble in excess of NaOH. Now, my dear student, you got it? Everyone got it? This is the thing, everyone. If you really got it, everyone, just do let me know. Till now, Sahana Baba 1.5 hours ho gaya. Oh my God. Now Sahana, what to do? Really, you are enjoying it. I thought to complete it in 90 minutes, but where the 90 minutes have gone just like, where the 90 minutes have gone just like 5 minutes. What to say? Now, what to say? Kids, should I continue? I think it is going to take a long period of time to make it feasible. मजा आ रहा है, मजा आ रहा है, मुझे बताओ। समझ आएगा तो मजा आएगा, मजा आएगा तो समझ आएगा. But really, I have to complete it, kids, because it's very, very important. I can't leave. Whether I am going to take whole night, I will take, but I can't leave in between. Time at, yeah, Baba, time for physics and bio. So, Sahana, you want to say your time has started for physics and bio? Okay, you do one thing, you can see recorded lecture, but I will continue it, okay? Because it's really very, very important. So, let me tell you, you can see the recorded lecture, although I will miss you a lot. Oh, then, oh, you want to say that? Make a strategy video for physics and bio? Chaitanya, very good, very good. Now everyone, kids, show me green hearts that. Okay, thank you. Salute to all of you. Show me green hearts, kids. Everyone, now come to this page and read it out. Everyone, read it out. Read out this page. Now everyone is able to understand this page or not. Action of sodium hydroxide solution on certain metallic salt everywhere. It will come in D block. It will come in P block. It will come in coordination chemistry. It will be helpful in the analytical chemistry, practical chemistry. So now read out this page and tell me that everyone is able to understand when the sodium hydroxide. Okay, what I was going to tell you, one point I was going to tell you. Can you tell me that this B and C category, they are soluble in water? That's my question. The first row is indicating that all salts are soluble in water. The B and C category, do you think they are soluble in water? The B category and C category, do let me know. Sahana, please keep the time for physics and bio in your strategy. Yeah, thank you. I will make that strategy for all three, right? Thank you, Sahana. Right. Now, kids, log trick was very good. Now, tell me, do you think this B and C category is soluble in water? That's my question. Remember that, not soluble. Very good. If it would have been soluble, अगर ये soluble होते तो NaOH की जरूरत क्या होती? If they would have been soluble in water, then why would have taken NaOH? Understood? They are not soluble, not at all soluble in water. So can I say from these points that this category B and C, they are not soluble in water, insoluble in water? Can I write here? This is insoluble in water and this is also insoluble in water. Insoluble in water, insoluble in H2O. Can I write this, kids? Is it clear? So can, with the help of these 3 points, while keeping A, B and C in our brain, can I write D point? बिल्कुल लिखेंगे. Very good. Now see, while keeping all these points, can I say one point? Just see what I want to say. I would like to say one point. While keeping A, B and C in our brain, I would like to write down one D point. See to it, the D point. D point is that all metal hydroxides, this is the D point, $1 million point, D point. Let me put flags over here because it's really the awesome point, the awesome point. The point is D point, all metal hydroxides, all metal hydroxides are completed. Let's see who will complete this point. Are, and then I will write except, then I will write over here except, then I will write down over here except. So let's see what will come in these 2 points. The fill in the blanks, the fill in the blank over here and the fill in the blank over here. What should I put over here? So I will say all metal hydroxides are insoluble in water, insoluble in H2O, except, now what will come over here? Except amino rubicis, amina ki rab se, they are always soluble in water, always soluble in water, because they are always, because these are always soluble in water. These are always soluble in H2O. Am I right, kids? This D point is awesome. Clear to all of you? Do let me know, kids. Amina knows Ruby says always. Amina knows Ruby says. Now clear to all of you, kids. Do let me know how much you are enjoying, kids. Really, I am teaching you from by my heart. I want that everyone should get full marks, and that's why I'm really taking pain, kids. At least you can share this message to all the groups, that call everyone, so that everyone should get benefited. They are salt, not hydroxides. Oh, they are hydroxides also. All metal their hydroxides are also. So except, because these are, their hydroxides are also soluble in water. These hydroxides or salts both are soluble in water. Hydroxides as well as their hydroxides as well as, and thank you Sahana, thank you, as well as salts are soluble in water, are soluble in water, soluble in water. Very good point. Now, there always everything is soluble in water. Got it? I hope that, is it clear to each and everyone? Is it clear to each and everyone whether it's salt or hydroxide? But yes, that's really awesome, Sahana. Very awesome. Now, everyone, you got it. I think it's everyone. Is it clear? Is it clear? Whether we talk about their salt, we talk their hydroxides, they all are soluble in water. So sodium hydroxide is soluble in water. Yes. Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, they all are soluble in water. So I'm going to frame out the question. Everyone ready? If this much is clear, let's see whether you are able to solve the questions or not. Are you ready for the questions, kids? Do let me know. Hey, everyone, just do let me know. Hey, everyone, just do let me know. Baba is asking one question. Do let me know. Till now, what I have taught you, just do let me know, everyone. Question. Since I'm going to write down question. Question. Oh ho ho. Sim. Write down question. Which compound is soluble? Which compound is soluble? Okay, so here is the question and the options. Options A, B, C, D, I will write down. A, B, C, D. Okay, which compound is soluble? So I will write down A, B, C, D. Let me copy all these so that no need to waste the time. Okay, ready? Which compound is soluble in water? First is in water. In water, in H2O. Ready, kids? Ready? So let me write down the options. NaOH, KOH, ammonium hydroxide. I would like to see the answer in the chat. All of these. Speedily put your answer in the chat. Let's see who is going to get the correct answer, kids. Fast, without any delay. I will make you to get the first rank. I will give you that command. I will make you able to get the first rank. Sahana, Harni Singh, only 2 students have given the answer, and the correct answer is definitely, we will go with the D. D is the correct answer. All of these are soluble in water, so go green. D is the correct answer. Now next question. I hope that everyone is ready for the next question. Now this question is N NaOH, NaOH. FeOH whole thrice. Which compound is soluble in NaOH? Excess of NaOH. In excess of NaOH. Excess of NaOH. Okay, FeOH whole thrice. CrOH whole thrice. AlOH whole thrice. CuOH whole twice. Let's see. I will make you pro. Right now you're noob to pro. Chaitanya, yes, Chaitanya has given the answer. I was unable to see. So sorry, Chaitanya, sorry. Wow, Satyam, Sanjana, Alia in Punjab, मैंने खा लिया. Sanjana and Alia in Punjab. The trick was, so everyone is going for the correct answer is, hey, Sim, mark the correct answer. The correct answer is definitely Alia. Now you are comfortable. Is everyone able to understand? Do let me know. Everyone, you got it till now? It's clear to all of you kids? Do let me know. Till now, is it clear? Now let's move to another slide. Let's see another one. This thing is clear to all of you now. Here is another slide. Whatever I was teaching you, you will see the experiment of that. Now see. Are you ready? If everyone is ready, the chat should run with speed. Everyone, either fire or green hearts. If you are able to understand, green hearts, so green color, any color, green to go. If you're not able to understand, fire. Fire, if you're not able to understand. If everything is clear, green hearts or green color, green leaves, green tree, whatever. Everyone, fast. Make the chat should run out speedily, kids. Now see. Ferrous sulfate is light green. Pale green means light green. Its color, ferrous sulfate's color is green. Now you added NaOH. NaOH is colorless. This is green. This is colorless. This is green. This is colorless because sodium is a metal of S block. Definitely it has to be colorless. Now its green color will come over here because he made him dirty. Dirty green ferrous hydroxide. Clear? Ferrous sulfate will react with this. Sodium will form a salt Na2SO4. No need to indicate that. It will form ferrous hydroxide, dirty green. Dirty green. Okay. This gelatinous white is wrong. This I don't know whose color is gelatinous white came over here. No need to write this. Gelatinous white, it is dirty green. Now Na2SO4. Now, can you tell me this dirty green color is soluble or insoluble in excess of NaOH? Can you tell me soluble or insoluble? Do let me know. Soluble or insoluble? Do let me know. Don't see over there. Don't see over there. Just apply your brain and do let me know that what you are going to get. Kids, do let me know. Apply your brain. Whatever I taught you, just apply your brain and try to decode this page. Everyone, it's my humble request. Apply your brain while keeping only one thing in your brain. Just one thing. Sanjana, Sanjana, Alia, in Punjab, their hydroxides are soluble in, keep this thing in your brain, hydroxides are soluble in excess of NaOH. Now just keep it in your brain and do let me know the result. This is the result. They are soluble or insoluble? Insoluble, because Sanjana and Alia, there is neither Sanjana and Alia. कुछ भी नहीं है इनमें से. Only these are soluble. Are you getting my point? Only these are soluble. Now iron should be insoluble. Dirty green insoluble. Got it? How many of you got it? Do let me know in the chat section. How many of you got it? This will be insoluble. Now tell me, ferric chloride. Ferric, what is the color of? Now see, chloride is colorless and ferric was the color. Which color? Ferric was yellow. Reacted with this. Now it will become brown. Brown, and ferric hydroxide will be soluble or insoluble in excess of NaOH. There is no ferric, so it is also insoluble. Written over here, insoluble. Can you see insoluble? Can you see insoluble, kids? Everyone do let me know in the chat section that you are able to understand, kids. Please, a humble request to all of you. Do let me know if you are able to understand. Really, if you are getting it insoluble and insoluble. This page is clear to all of you or not? Kids, I'm really doing a hard work, but everyone is not writing in the chat. Only Kiranji's message I can see. Sahana, Tix, PCB, insoluble. Very good. Everyone, you have to give response right now. Now, another page. Next page. See this one. This one. Now, apply your brain. Everyone just apply your brain. Apply your brain over here also while keeping. Just keep in your brain only one thing. Only one thing you are supposed to keep. Apply, this application is only there. Apply Sanjana and Alia are in Punjab. Sanjana and Alia in Punjab. That should be there in your brain. Are soluble in excess of. So do you think copper sulfate? Now sulfate, now see how to find out the color on the first page. Sulfate is colorless. I told you sulfate, sulfur belongs to which? Sulfur belongs to P block. P block, so it is colorless. Have I told you or not? Kids, first of all, do let me know. You have to focus on the color also. Colorless. It is being colorless. So the color is coming from Cu2 plus. What is the color of Cu2 plus? Write on the chat whenever I am asking. Cu2 plus was blue. So remember that. What is the color of copper sulfate that is coming from sulfate or Cu2 plus? The color blue is coming for copper 2 plus or sulfate. Copper 2 plus. So copper sulfate is blue. This is colorless. So definitely the precipitate will be blue. And the precipitate is light blue. Do you think that copper is there? Copper is not there, so it will be insoluble in water and it is insoluble. Got it? In this way, have you ever studied, kids? Do let me know. In this way, have you ever studied, kids? Really, I'm making your this chemistry to be the super awesome. No one can teach you in the world. No one can teach you. Let me tell you, kids, no one. No one means no one, any channel. If you go to any channel, no one can teach you this thing, kids. Am I right, kids? The thing which I'm teaching you, nowhere you will get it. Even you give lakh rupee, 10 lakh rupee or crore rupee as a fees to a teacher, no one can teach you this thing, kids. Everyone, it's my humble request, call everyone, make your Baba also famous. I don't want to be famous, but at least show the power. At least you are going to call 2 of your friends. You see how many kids are there. Thank you, Satyam. But why you are not calling your friends, kids? I can't see number of students over here. Only few students are there. I'm doing really hard work. Not only knowledge, I'm dedicated also. Now see, kids. Zn 2 plus. Now Zn 2 plus is colorless. Now you will say one thing. Sir, zinc belongs to transition metal. You will say zinc belongs to transition. Let me tell you, kids. Let me tell you one thing. Remember one thing, kids. That's why this is the only reason that zinc, cadmium and mercury D block के नाम पे धब्बा हैं. Zinc, cadmium, mercury, they are very soft. They are in D block, zinc, cadmium, mercury, but remember that they are not treated as what? Zinc, cadmium, mercury are not treated as what? Are not treated as transition metals because they do not have unpaired electron. They do not have unpaired electron. So they are very soft. Remember that. Otherwise, D block elements are hard in nature. All D block metals are hard. Metals are hard. Why hard? Because of metallic bonding. Because of metallic bonding. Because of metallic bonding. And to form a metallic bond, what is required? Because of free electrons. Free electrons. But zinc, cadmium, mercury, they do not have unpaired, that means free electrons. They are not having free electrons. And that's why they are very soft in nature. They are very soft. You know, mercury is a liquid. Mercury is a liquid at room temperature, and these are very soft. You can cut them even with a knife. So they will always be what? Colorless, 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 colorless. You got it, kids? If D block element is not having unpaired electron, it will be colorless. Got it? Now see, kids, see to it. So what I was going to tell you, this we have done. Now this point. Zinc is colorless, sulfate is colorless, colorless and colorless will be colorless. NaOH, ZnOH whole twice is gelatinous white. Remember this color, kids. Remember this color. ZnOH whole twice color is gelatinous white. Now, do you think zinc is over there? Zinc is over there. Sanjana and Alia in Punjab. Sanjana and Alia in Punjab. Now, this will be soluble or insoluble? Soluble. This gelatinous white PPT is soluble. Got it? How many of you are able to understand? Do let me know in the chat section that yes, sir, we got it. We got it. Just to let me know, kids, how many of you are really able to understand? Raise your hand. Wherever you are seated, raise your hand that you got it. Yeah, in excess of NaOH. They are soluble in excess of NaOH. Now, next slide. Next slide. See, action of ammonium hydroxide. Now, the next hero. Sodium hydroxide story is ended. Sodium hydroxide story is ended. Now the second one, ammonium hydroxide, has come into the role. Are you ready for ammonium hydroxide? Now the hero is ammonium hydroxide. Next chapter, second chapter, ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide. Now let me tell you one thing. Before I move ahead, I would like to tell you one thing, that what's that? Let me tell you what's that. That alkali metal hydroxides are strong base. Now, if I say NaOH, NaOH is a very strong base, is a very strong base. What does it mean? Is a very strong base. That means if you take 100 molecules of NaOH, 100 molecules of NaOH, then more than 90% will dissociate. So let me tell you, let us take almost all will dissociate, dissociate to give Na plus and OH negative. Are you getting my point? That means I will get near about 100 Na plus and 100 OH negative. Why I am writing like this? Because no salt, no hydroxide is going to dissociate 100%. Now, at the same time, if I say ammonium hydroxide, now ammonium hydroxide is a weak base. Remember that? Ammonium hydroxide is a weak base. NH4OH is a weak base. That means what? That means what? It means if I take, so it is very strong base, so almost all will dissociate, and this is feebly ionized. What is the meaning of feebly? Feebly means only very small molecules will ionize. Suppose if I take 100 molecules of this, then I will get, let us suppose, 20 of ammonium plus and 20 of OH negative ions, 20 of OH negative ions. Are you getting my point? That means weakly ionized, feebly ionized. Feebly means very less. Feebly means very less ionized, very less ionized, very less ionized. Got it? Is this point clear to all of you? That means who will provide more? Who will provide more OH? Do let me know, kids. Who is a better source of OH negative ion? One thing, if I say that I am having a tree of, this is the tree. This is the tree of, hey my tree, one tree of NaOH, this tree of NaOH, another tree of NH4OH. I'm having two trees. They are producing OH negative. Which tree will produce more OH negative? Champa wants to have OH negative. Champa is waiting for Champa. She is Champa. Hey Champa, what do you think? Which tree will produce more OH negative? Champa is a shopkeeper. She is selling OH negative. So which tree will provide more? Tell me in the chat section. Definitely this will provide more, is a better source of OH negative, will produce more OH negative ion. Am I right? And this will produce very less amount of OH negative ion, will produce very less. Am I right, kids? Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear to all of you? So the way of writing these compounds, let me tell you how to write such type of compounds. There is way of representation. The way of representation is like that. For a strong electrolyte, we will say strong base or strong electrolyte. We can call it strong base or strong electrolyte, because whenever it is going to dissociate, it will start conducting electricity. Or I can say strong electrolyte. Whenever there is strong base or a strong electrolyte, anything being strong, so this is the language of electrolysis if I talk about. So we will say that it will be represented like this, because it will get almost fully ionized. So we will get Na positive, OH negative. Now if something is a weak base like ammonium hydroxide, so we will write down like this. The way of representation of this will be like this. Arrow will go in the forward direction and arrow will come in the backward direction. Let me write down the correct arrow. The arrow will go in the forward direction, the arrow will come in the backward direction, because if you say that if somebody has decided that I will move in the forward direction, that person will keep on moving in the forward direction. But somebody is not confident, then that person will go up, means forward side, down side means back side, forward back, reversible. Yes, so we will say it will be represented in the form of this thing, that reversible. This is known as reversible. Reversible, always in a state of that I should go forward or should I come backward. I hope that everyone is able to get it. If yes, keep on showing green hearts of fire in the chat section. If you're really able to understand green heart, if you're not able to understand fire, chat should look like that you are active, Now see, everyone, now here the hero is NH4OH. Right now our hero, you are my hero, right now ammonium hydroxide. Now let me tell you, before you study this, let me tell you one more thing. Let me tell you like that. Let me tell you one more thing. Are you ready for that? What I'm going to tell you, kids? Before we move ahead, let me tell you one thing. So only Sahana's green hearts, Santosh Kumar's red heart. I can see rest of other people. Are you sleeping? Let me have a sip of water. Everyone, keep yourself hydrated so that you can understand each and everything. It's for a better understanding. Just kids, hey everyone. Kiran Pathak, very good, very good. I'm so happy to see Kiran. Priya ji, I'm Sasi, welcome. Sasi, welcome. When you have come, Sasi, kab aaye aap? When you have come, just to let me know. Rishi, Sonak, good, good. I'm missing one or two students right now. Sausi, Sravani, wow, that's really awesome. Now, Sahana, do let me know one thing. Harni, do let me know one thing. Those who are joining in between and those who have not watched the lecture from the beginning, do you think they will be able to understand what I'm saying? If somebody has missed the starting line, this movie is a really awesome movie. Let me tell you, प्यारे बच्चा लोग, ये movie इतनी बढ़िया है कि आपने शुरुआत से नहीं देखी. The story of this movie is like that. If you have missed even a single word, single line, you won't be able to understand. Yeah, they will get collapsed. If this movie, really, if I am going to watch my lecture, I will enjoy a lot. Let me tell you, kids. Frankly, I'm telling you, if I'm going to watch my lecture, I will enjoy it, because this is a real movie, real movie. No one can make such a great movie. Yeah, Sausi, I'm so happy to see you. Sassy at 9. Yeah, that's really. I'm the beginner one. Kiran Pathak. अरे प्रिया जी, आपको आपके आते ही बड़ा अच्छा लगता है प्रिया जी. Really. Now see, kids. And Chaitanya, देखो देखो कौन आई. Chaitanya आई. Where are you, Chaitanya? बच्चा. Now see. Now let me tell you about ammonium hydroxide. Once again, I will say all metal hydroxides. Hey Baba, hang हो गया ये भाई. Let's wait for 1 minute. इसको लग रहा है कि अरे कितना लिखोगे सर, how much you are going to write. till that time. Oh, kids, we started this lecture at 7. 7 right now, 9. 2 hours gone. Oh, Aishwarya, what happened? Oh, Aishwarya, what happened? Is everything okay? Now, kids, can I give 10 minutes break? Can I give 10 minutes break, kids? Do let me know, everyone. Can we take 10 minutes break? 2 hours gone, yeah. I will help you in earning also. Yes, yes, I will. So it's a break time. Kids, let's take 15 minutes break. Right now it is 21:12, means 15. So let's meet at 9:30, right? Okay, 9:30. Let's meet at 9:30, right? Yeah, Ashwarya, I remember. Sahana, it will take near about 9:30. Now it will get completed at 10. Okay, let's take 10-minute break only. Okay, 10 minutes break only. So it will get completed at 10:15. 10:15 or 10, right? So let's take 10 minutes break only, right? It's not working. That's why I'm taking break. See, it's got hang. ये hang हो गया. That's why I'm taking break. Okay. It's not writing anything. See how to write break, then it's not coming over here. Nothing. See, break, break. I think I think it's okay. Okay. Let's 10 minutes break. 10 minutes, just 10 minutes break. Ten minutes break, right? Are you back? Oh, it's not working. Board is not working, kids. What to do now? Just wait. Why you late? Jyoti says, wow. Now, kids, what to do? This one is also working. Yeah, started working. Very good. Very good. Wow. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Very good. Very good. Now, see, kids, are you back? Just to let me know, is everyone back? Now, ammonium hydroxide is a hero over here. And what I was going to tell you, kids, about ammonium hydroxide. Now, see, kids. All this is about ammonium hydroxide. I am going to write. Just see to it. All sorts of ammonium hydroxide, all sorts, no, sorry, all metal hydroxides, all metal hydroxides are insoluble in ammonium hydroxide except aminos rubicis, except suswagatam, thank you, aminos rubicis, okay, except that, leave that, aminos rubicis, this to always leave it, aminos rubicis, amina knows rubicis, leave this, okay. Now what I'm going to tell you, kids, over here, there are 4 metal hydroxides which are soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide, just like sodium hydroxide. Here also I will say there are 4 metal hydroxides which are soluble in, there are 4 metal hydroxides which are soluble in, which are soluble in excess of, soluble in what? Excess of NH4OH, just like NaOH, I would like to say, which are soluble in excess of NH4OH. What are these? These are hydroxides of Ag is partially not in syllabus, copper, zinc, and magnesium. That is also not required. So these two are important, copper and zinc. Copper and zinc. So can you keep this thing in your brain, everyone? Sanjana one, that was Ritvik, that was for NaOH. This is for ammonium hydroxide. So let me write on the same page so that everyone can correlate and always you can go with this. Just to let me know, everyone. So I will say that hydroxides of hydroxides of Sanjana, Sanjana and Alia in Punjab. Sanjana and Alia in Punjab, they were soluble in excess of, they were soluble in, get soluble in, soluble in excess of NaOH. Now I will say hydroxides of आज कॉपर जिंक की बहुत मांग है, so they are not required. How many are required? Kunzan, remember that, Zanku, they are soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide. Now my dear students, from these 2 points, very very important points, what information you are getting in this whole world, there is only one metal hydroxide which is soluble in both. What is that? Do let me know. There is, in this world, there is only just one metal hydroxide which is soluble in both. Can you get it, kids? Zinc, Jan, jab tak hai Jan, Z10. Zn is soluble in both. Zinc hydroxide is soluble in both. Are you getting my point, kids? Do let me know. Is it clear to all of you? Excess of sodium hydroxide, excess of ammonium hydroxide. So this is the only element which is soluble in excess of sodium hydroxide as well as excess of ammonium hydroxide. Do let me know, kids. Ice cream. Okay, you can ask your question. Yes, ice cream. What's your question? जान हर जगह. वेरी गुड सत्यम. जान हर जगह है. जान इज द जान. जिंक. जानू मेरी जान, मैं तुझ पे कुर्बान. Zinc is soluble in both. Ice cream. I will give this answer later on, right? Right now, let's study. Jan is soluble in excess of sodium hydroxide as well as excess in ammonium hydroxide. Now you can correlate. Now you can see this one. Now read it out. Read out. When ammonium hydroxide solution is added drop by drop to the solution of metallic salts, precipitate of their hydroxides are formed. Which are identified by their distinct color. This line was in sodium hydroxide also. But if you see the another line, at the same moment, if you come to the another line, that some precipitated metallic hydroxides are soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide because of the formation of soluble amino compounds on further reaction with excess of ammonium hydroxide. Now see, calcium salt. No precipitation occurs even with addition of ammonium, excess of ammonium hydroxide, because calcium salts, calcium hydroxides, you will study in further higher classes. Calcium hydroxides K.S.P is very high. किरण पाठक जी हिंदी में. ओके, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का KSP वैल्यू इज वेरी हाई. कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड KSP value is very high. Solubility product is very high, very high, very high, very high, very high. You will study in analytical chemistry. This is also analytical chemistry, but when I am going to teach salt analysis, I will tell you this lies in fifth group. So its KSP value is very high. So calcium hydroxide, see, this is because the concentration of OH negative ions from this ionization of ammonium hydroxide is so low that it cannot precipitate. Ammonium hydroxide इतना ज्यादा OH नेगेटिव देता ही नहीं कि प्रेसिपिटेशन हो. व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू. Ice cream, all these questions I will tell you. Yeah, Satyam, later on, right? Ice cream, I will give all the answers later on. Right now, just focus on the study. Okay. So ammonium hydroxide is giving very less amount of hydroxide. Now see, ferrous sulfate was green. Now apply, just apply, everyone. Now apply the concept. It's time to apply the concept. It's time to apply concept. Which concept? Which concept, kids? To apply concept. That Kunzan or Qzan hydroxides are soluble in excess of hydroxides are soluble in what? Are soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide, excess of NH4OH. Am I right, kids? Are soluble in excess of ammonium. Can you remember? Is there any trick for sodium hydroxide? The trick was Sanjana and Alia are in Punjab and they are soluble in excess of sodium hydroxide. So here, what do you want to make? My cool tube, welcome, welcome. Yeah, you can say sparingly soluble, but better to say not soluble. So welcome, welcome. Qzan, Janku. Okay. Now see, ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate is colorless. I have told you earlier also. I have told you that sulfate is SO4 negative is colorless. So who is responsible for the color? Who is responsible? So definitely this ferrous is responsible. This was green, dirty green PPT. Now this ferrous is lying over there, not lying in this category. So its ferrous hydroxide is insoluble. So see, this dirty green PPT is insoluble. Can you see? Insoluble. Very good. Now see, ferric was yellow solution. It has given reddish brown PPT. Very, very important. Reddish brown. Now it is not lying over there. ये इस कैटेगरी में नहीं है, तो it is also insoluble. Can you see? Insoluble in water. Now see, this slide is clear to all of you. If it is clear, do let me know, everyone. If this slide is clear to each and everyone, do let me know in the chat section that you got it. You are able to understand. Do let me know. I'm standing over here and just read it out that yes, you can correlate it. You can understand it. Everyone just do let me know that you are able to understand it or not. Kids, fast. Do let me know speedily that you are able to get it. You are able to understand it. Now, the second slide. Now see, copper sulfate. It's really very, very important. So apply the concept. Everyone apply. It's time to apply the concept. It's time to apply the concept. Apply the concept. $1 million concept. And this slide is really very, very important. Everyone just see, this slide holds a hell lot of weightage. I would like to say, Suraj Chand Tare jo bhi lagane laga do. This slide holds a lot of weightage. It holds a hell lot of weightage. Just see to it, kids. Ready? Now see, copper, the Cu2 plus. If you remember that Cu2 plus was blue, cupric was blue colored. Cupric was blue. If you remember from the starting, I have told you. And sulfate was colorless. The sulfate was colorless. So colorless and blue combined together, this was colorless and that is blue. When they combine together, that salt formed will be blue colored. So that's why copper sulfate CuSO4 dot 5 times H2O is your blue colored. Now you know that it is blue. Now you added ammonium hydroxide, it will form copper hydroxide, which is a light blue PPT. Pale blue means light blue. Now you know the concept that Qzan, Janku or Qzan, Qzni. Copper was soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide, so it will get dissolved. This PPT, precipitate, which is in the form of precipitate, will get dissolved. We have seen the sugar, चीनी का ढेला होता है, चीनी का पत्थर टाइप होता है, नमक when you add to the water and stir it, घुल जाएगा, दिखेगा नहीं आंखों से, लेकिन ये तो दिख रहा है, और ये excess of ammonium hydroxide में जाएगा तो घुल जाएगा और घुलने के बाद पेल ब्लू गलत लिखा है यहाँ, पूछो क्यों ये गलत लिखा है, पूछो क्यों गलत लिखा है, या ये अधूरा है, पेल ब्लू प्रेसिपिटेट ये पूरा है, इतना मिला के पूरा हुआ, अब सही है, नाउ इट्स राइट, आई थॉट उतना ही लिखा है तो गलत होता, नाउ दे हैव रिटन दिस मच, नाउ इट इज करेक्ट, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, दैट पेल ब्लू precipitate of copper, this is of CuOH whole twice, actually this was the precipitate CuOH whole twice was the PPT. Now it is soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide because it is there given over there, they are the soluble parts, it is soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide and forms deep blue solution, deep blue solution, just focus, mark my word, solution, and here precipitate. And now kids, whenever in the examination it is coming, people are not able to understand where PPT, where solution. Now kids, if you're really watching it, you can understand where to write PPT, where to write solution. Do let me know in the chat section that you are able to understand where the precipitate word is coming, where the solution word is coming, because it got dissolved, now it is not hydroxide, it must have changed to something else, it must have got changed to something else, blue solution. That's the formula of this compound will be what? Now the formula of this compound is tetramine copper hydroxide, tetramine copper hydroxide, it is deep blue solution, this is deep blue solution, and that's a characteristic property of this. Everyone got it, remember this formula, it is very important for your examination, it's very important, very, everyone got it, it's really very important kids. So what Satyam is writing, क्यों जान अमोनिया के हाइड्रोक्साइड में घुल गई, अरे वाह, एक्सेस ऑफ क्यों जान, ओह क्यों जान, एक्सेस ऑफ क्यों जान के हाइड्रोक्साइड एक्सेस ऑफ अमोनिया में घुल गए, वाओ, क्यों जान excess of ammonium hydroxide में घुल गए, wow, that's really awesome, got it, everyone got it. Now kids, if it is clear, do let me know in the chat section that it's clear, then green hearts. If you're not able to understand, then fire in the chat section, let me know that's clear or not clear. Now let's move to another slide, just see zinc application, just apply, I will write apply, what to apply, the brain you have to apply, now it's time to apply, what apply, just Satyam has written क्यों जान के हाइड्रोक्साइड, क्यों जान के हाइड्रोक्साइड्स आर soluble in, क्यों जान के हाइड्रोक्साइड्स आर soluble in what kids, do let me know, are soluble in what, are soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide, are soluble in excess of NH4OH. Now see, क्यों जान, remember that जानू मेरी जान hydroxides are soluble in both excess of ammonium hydroxide as well as excess of sodium hydroxide. Now my dear students, now see, zinc sulfate colorless, I have told you zinc Zn2 plus is not having, so Zn2 plus is colorless, and sulfate is also colorless, both are being colorless, so they are colorless, so this is colorless, got it, this I have told you in the starting slide, they are colorless. Now colorless, ZnOH whole twice, gelatinous white, who else have shown this color gelatinous white, do let me know, किसी और का कलर भी gelatinous white आया था, जिंक हाइड्रोक्साइड is gelatinous white, do let me know in the chat section, do let me know किस और का आया था, किसका आया था, my cool tube tetramine copper sulfate color sir, tetramine copper sulfate is also blue color, tetramine copper sulfate is also blue color because hydroxides are there, रहते हैं, do let me know who else was having, जल्दी से बताओ my cool tube, किसका और कलर gelatinous white आया था, I taught you in this lecture only, if you remember, aluminium hydroxide's color was gelatinous white, AlOH whole thrice color was gelatinous white. Now ZnOH whole twice is also, it's white, gelatinous white, and now it is soluble in excess of, this is colorless, gelatinous white PPT is soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide. I hope that this is clear. Now, zinc hydroxide, it will form tetraamine zinc hydroxide. This is soluble part, and its color will be, do let me know its color will be. Its color will be, anyone who can tell me its color? It is soluble. Now lead is not there, so lead hydroxide, chalky white PPT, insoluble, because lead was with sodium hydroxide. Punjab was in sodium hydroxide. Punjab is not there, so not soluble. Everyone, this slide is clear. Don't forget to show me green color if you are able to get it, fire if you're not able to get it, because too much things I have to tell you fast, we fast, so that now how many slides are left, then I will give you question. These many slides, oh, only 1-2 slides are left, then we will solve the questions. Now see, action of alkali on cell. Now this already studied. Zinc, if you remember, Jan is soluble in excess of both. Janu meri Jan is soluble in excess of both. So see, sodium hydroxide, sodium zincate solution, because in between it will form ZnOH whole twice. That is your PPT, but that will get dissolved. They are using hot and concentrated. So zinc is soluble in excess of sodium hydroxide. So if you are using concentrated means excess of sodium hydroxide, heat means the reaction will be fast. Sodium zincate, now colorless. Now zinc plus KOH, hot, potassium zincate, colorless. Now aluminium with sodium hydroxide, aluminium is also so see, let me tell you the history of NaOH. Sunny, what was the trick? For excess of sodium hydroxide? Do let me know in the chat section what was the trick, kids. For excess of sodium hydroxide, what was the trick? Do let me know. Sanjana and Alia are in Punjab. They were soluble. So see, zinc soluble, aluminium is there, that is also soluble. Sodium meta-aluminate, this is given in your metallurgy of aluminium, also. You are able to get it? Metallurgy, this is a solution, colorless solution. How will you say this is colorless solution? Because aluminium will react with this, it will form gelatinous white PPT of AlOH whole thrice, which is soluble in excess of sodium hydroxide, sodium meta-aluminate, colorless solution. Potassium, same thing, potassium. Now you see lead is there, all are given. Lead is forming sodium plumbite. Now how to say plumbite or plumbate? Pb2 plus is plumbus, Pb4 plus is plumbic, us will form ite. Now see, let me write down. Pb2 plus is us, and its salt will be, Pb2 plus is plumbus, Pb2 plus is plumbus, and its salt will be known as plumbite. Now Pb4 plus is plumbic, and its salt will be plumbate. I hope this is clear to all of you. Is it clear? Now see, so here you can find out the oxidation state. Na2 2 into X, 2 into X, and plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 0. So X value is coming plus 2. So it's ite, plumbite. Now they have covered up zinc they have done, aluminium they have done the reaction, lead they have done, and same with tin will be there. Now this page is clear. If you remember each and everything, then this page will be clear. Kids, do let me know, is this page clear? Is this page clear to all of you? Do let me know. If the things you have seen, what I was teaching you, then this page must be clear to all of you. If you are watching it from the beginning, if you are doing short trick, means if you are applying shortcut, then you won't be able to understand. Otherwise, everyone, Do let me know in the chat section. Now, it's a time to see this page. This page, action of alkali on metals. You can do this. This is very simple. Amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric means which reacts with both the oxide and hydroxides, which can react with acids as well as base. Amphibian, like amphibian, frog, which can live on land as well as in water. Amphibian. Amphoteric means both the two type of behavior. Amphoteric means which can react with both the acid and base are known as amphoteric. So see, zinc, ZnO can react with HCl to form ZnCl2. ZnOH whole twice also can react with HCl to form zinc chloride. Is it clear? Now let's do some questions and then it will get over. But here what is given, let's see. Yeah, now the chart is given zinc oxide, zinc hydroxide, sodium zincate, potassium zincate. This we have covered or not? This already we have done. You can easily see already we have done PbOH whole twice. Then it's very simple. Now it has become very simple. It has become simple or not, kids? Do let me know. Now it's very simple. And we are in a state of doing questions. Let's see, do the questions. Now it's very simple. We can do it by ourselves. Now tell me, this already we have studied. Now we are in a state of easily solving it or not. Just to let me know, easily we can solve it or not. Yes. Now see the question time. Can you see the first question? Do let me know the answer of first question. Everyone, it's your time. I am just seeing the chat. What's your answer? Till now I have told you each and everything. Now it's your turn. Apply each and everything. Whatever I taught you, apply the things. Now it's a time to apply. I'm teaching it from 7 p.m. 3 hours gone. Now it's your time to give me the answer. I want to see the answer in the chat. Kiran Pathak ji, jaldi se bataye. Everyone, do let me know. C. Satyam is going for C. First question of first. Everyone, I can't see. Ritvik is also going for C. Blue, the color of aqueous solution of copper sulfate. Very good. Aqueous solution of copper sulfate, that is CuSO4 dot 5 times H2O, is known as blue vitriol. This is known as blue vitriol. Blue vitriol. Remember that it's known as blue vitriol. Now the time for question number 2. Everyone, so that is the answer is C. Now C is the correct answer. Now another one. Next question. Do let me know what's the answer of second question. Question number 2. That was the first question. This is the second question. I would like to see the answer of second question. If you will really get the feel that yes, we have solved number of things. No, yeah, SO42 is not having any color. That's really awesome. Do let me know what's the answer. Everyone, I would like to see the answer in the chat. Fast, kids, fast. Make it fast. C. Ritvik is going for C. Yes, Manoj. Yes, Ritvik is going for C. Now, the color of the precipitate formed on adding NaOH solution to iron 2 sulfate. So iron 2 sulfate is light green. Iron 2 sulfate, I would say it's light green. FeOH whole twice. It's pale green, light green. And what they are saying, NaOH. Now, do you think NaOH? We have studied that NaOH, excess of NaOH. The trick was Sanjana and Alia in Punjab. They were soluble, but this is not soluble. So adding NaOH solution to iron 2 sulfate, solution will remain green. Very good. Ritvik has given the answer. So Ritvik, your answer is absolutely correct. Congratulations. Green will be the answer. Congratulations, Ritvik. Congratulations. No, it will not be A. It will remain green क्योंकि वो react ही नहीं करेगा. Now, another question. Question number 3. What should be your answer? Do let me know. a metal which produces hydrogen. Now you won't be able to do this. This is from acid base salt. So let me tell you, there are two metals, Maggie man, they produces hydrogen. So the answer is magnesium. Now next question number 4. Question: the salt solution which does not react with ammonium hydroxide. Very good. So ammonium hydroxide, if you remember ammonium hydroxide, Qzan, if you remember, Kunjan, excess of ammonium hydroxide, Kunjan, if you remember. What's the answer of question number 4? Do let me know. What's the answer of question number 4, kids? I would like to see the answer in the chat section. Everyone, kids. John is amphoteric. Yes, John is amphoteric. So what's the answer? Do let me know. What's the answer of this question? The solution which does not react with excess of ammonium hydroxide. So see, zinc will react, copper will react. Now there are two. Excess of ammonium hydroxide. Akkad bakkad. Which option will you go for? Fourth question. Fourth. So this should not be there. This should not be given. Then we would have gone for this option. This should not be given, right? Now question number 5. Question number 5, kids. Do let me know. Which of the following is the best reagent to distinguish lead nitrate and zinc nitrate? Oh my god. Lead nitrate and zinc nitrate. Zinc is soluble in both excess of ammonium hydroxide and excess of sodium hydroxide. Lead is soluble only in excess of sodium hydroxide. What should be answer? I think it is not visible. Kids, what to do? I think options are not visible. Options are not visible. What to do? What should be other options? What should be other options? So let's leave this question because two options are not visible. Two options are not visible. Now assertion and reasoning. Sahana, are you there? Kiran, are you there? Ritvik, are you there? Now last some questions. Question number 4. My cool tube is saying I don't understand question 4th answer. Which question? This one. This one. Kids, see. My cool tube, lead should not be given there. Ammonium hydroxide, excess of ammonium hydroxide में ये दो soluble होते हैं. Ag का hydroxide soluble होता है और magnesium का soluble होता है. तो you are right. Lead नहीं देना चाहिए था. अगर lead नहीं होता है, lead should not be given over there. So with excess of this calcium nitrate. Okay, got it. Very good question. इसका आंसर सही दिया है. Let me tell you. Ammonium hydroxide is not able to produce excess of OH negative ion. And you know that calcium hydroxide, K.S.P is very high. K.S.P is very high. That means calcium needs very high amount of hydroxide to get precipitated. Let me tell you. When ionic product of calcium and hydroxide ions proceeds, that is IP becomes more than K.S.P, then only precipitation will take place. If ionic product exceeds then K.S.P, then only precipitation will take place. But ammonium hydroxide is a very weak base. अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड जो है बहुत वीक बेस है, वो उतना OH नेगेटिव दे ही नहीं पाएगा, तो इसका KSP वैल्यू से ज्यादा IP नहीं आएगा. दिस इज राइट क्वेश्चन. सो कैल्शियम नाइट्रेट विल नॉट गेट प्रेसिपिटेटेड. दैट इज द लॉजिक. माय कूल ट्यूब, गॉट इट? इज द कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर? नाउ क्लियर? Very good question. Now see, assertion and reasoning. Now solve question number 6. Let's see who is going to solve this question. Baba is waiting for your answer. Kids, Baba is waiting for your answer. Do it fast, kids. Yeah, nice. My cool tube has asked a very good question. Awesome question. Kushagra, very good question. Very good question asked by you. Claps, huge round of applause. Now, tell me the answer of this question. Sixth, you can see assertion and reasoning and see. Ritvik is going for B, sixth B. Dinner abhi nahi hua Kiran ji, bas after this class I will do that. Sahana is going for Sahana. What's your answer? Jyoti. Oh, you are Jyoti, my cool tube. Okay, Jyoti, welcome, welcome. I'm very happy. Now, what should be the answer of sixth? Let's see. Calcium salt solution does not show any change even after adding excess of ammonia. Very true. This is true. I would like to say it's true, because ammonium hydroxide cannot provide that much of OH negative ion. The low concentration of hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide solution which are unable. This is also true, and it is the correct explanation, kids. It's not B, it's A. Both are true, and reason is explaining the assertion. Very good question. Very good question. Fantabulous question. Its answer will be A, not B. A is the correct answer. Who has given A? That is wrong. Who has given B? A is the correct answer. You got it? You got it or not? Kids, do let me know. Everyone, do let me know. Got it or not? Now, next question. Question number 7th. Do let me know what should be the answer of this question. Iron 2 sulfate salt solution when reacted with excess of ammonium hydroxide forms a dirty green PPT, right? I think this is true. Okay, you let me know what should be the answer of 7th. 7th answer will be fast. Kids, fast. What should be the answer of 7th one? Fast, kids, fast. Jyoti is going for second. Let me check it out for other people. Kids, fast. Speedily, do let me know. Speedily, kids, speedily. Speedily. Satyam is going for third. So third is the correct answer. I think this is true. This is true. This is very true. Now let's see the reason. Reason is iron salts are brown in color. Are bhai, FeOH whole twice is FeOH whole twice is light green, and ferric hydroxide is reddish brown. So they are writing dirty brown, that is ferric hydroxide. Ferric hydroxide is dirty brown. FeOH whole thrice is reddish brown. This is reddish brown. What they are writing, what? They are writing wrong thing. This is reddish brown. They are writing iron salts are brown. No, this is false. This is false. So this is false. A is true, R is false. A is true, R is false. So third should be the correct answer. Clear to all of you? Kids, do let me know. Are you able to understand or not? Everyone just do let me know. Hey, my dear students, FeCl3 salts yellow. Yes, yellow, but ferric hydroxide is reddish brown. Remember that. Ferric chloride is yellow. FeCl3 is yellow. But FeOH whole thrice is reddish brown. Remember that, reddish brown. This is brown in color. Right? Now, this is clear. Now, 8th question. Hydrogen gas is liberated when metal like. Now, this is not visible, so leave it. Now, question. 9th question. Everyone come to the ninth question. Just come to the ninth question. Do let me know what should be the answer of ninth question. Assertion is oxides of most of the metals are basic in nature. Metals oxide, true. Metal oxides like Na2O, calcium oxide, most of the oxides basic in nature, so this is true. It's being true. Now what they are writing, all metal oxide dissolve in water forming alkalis. This is wrong. Why wrong? Alkalis like NaOH, KOH, these are alkalis. These are alkalis, but all of them are not alkali. If I say that FeOH whole twice, this is not alkali. This is not alkali, so this statement is wrong. This statement is coming to be wrong. This is wrong. That was true. This is false. So which option we will go for? A is true, R is false. Ninth, what should be the answer? Ninth, C. Just see why I am saying C. A is true, R is false. So C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. I hope that everyone is able to understand C is being the correct answer for this. Now, assertion. Zinc oxide reacts with acid as well as bases to form. Very good. Amphoteric. It is amphoteric, so it will react. We have studied right now. It is being amphoteric, so this statement is coming true, true. Now, zinc oxide is amphoteric. This is also true and the correct explanation, true and true. So, what option you will go for 10th? 10th, I will go for A. A. Now, this you can do your homework. You have to tell me in the comment section what should be the answer. Answer in comments. Answer in comments. So you will get many prizes. Our team, means my team, is working day and night to find out the answer in comments, whether it is short video or these questions. Everyone write down your answer in the comments. For 1,000 questions, they will select the names, and the top 50 students, they will get gifts, right? That gift can be iPhone, that gift can be anything, right? So take care. Bye to all of you. Obvya Lakshmi, you got late today. This session is really awesome. This session, I would like to say, it's really awesome. Big chapter. This is the basic. Today only I have started salt analysis. This is, I would not say salt analysis. Today, whatever I taught you, I would like to say it is just not salt analysis. It is just analytical chemistry. It's the beginning. Satyam, you right? It's the beginning of salt analysis. Today I have started. Today's lecture is round 1. Round 1, I would like to say it's the round 1 of salt analysis, right? Today's session is, I would like to say, round 1. Today's session is round 1 of salt analysis. Today's session is beginning of salt analysis. It's beginning of salt analysis. Beginning of salt analysis, right, kids? It's just the beginning of salt analysis. Everyone got it? Just to let me know. If yes, everyone say yes, we got it. That whatever you are saying, it's just the beginning. It is just the beginning. Got it? Today's lecture number 1, round number 1, I would like to say this is round 1. Round 1. Because salt analysis is a very big chapter. We will complete it in 3 rounds, total 3 rounds, right, kids? We will complete in 3 rounds. So today's lecture is just the beginning. I hope this is clear. Okay, thank you, Kiranji. Thank you, everyone. We'll meet you tomorrow. So I will come tomorrow with something really amazing, Second thing, the second round of this salt analysis, second round, as well as acid, bases and salt. Tomorrow's class, let me tell you, I will start a little bit earlier. That will be based on the second round of this plus acid, bases and salt, right? And I will try to keep it in the morning. Is it okay? Or evening? What time? Evening is okay? Evening is good. So we will do it in the evening, right, kids? Bye to all of you. 7 p.m., right? 7 p.m. We will start at 7 p.m., right? Bye to all of you. God bless you. Love you, kids. Share it to everyone because sharing is caring. And if you are helping others, Almighty God is going to help you a lot. Bye to all of you. Bye, kids.